Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress and extract zip files in Windows 11 without using any extra software. For the purpose of this video, I've created a test folder. To compress it, you need to right-click, select Compress To, and then choose Zip File. Windows will instantly create a smaller shareable version. To fully extract the files, first of all, we need to select the folder and then right-click. Then you need to select Extract All. A window appears asking for a destination. You could leave it as is and then click Extract. And this is one of the easy ways to manage zip files. Don't forget to subscribe to Libretechia for more accessible tech tips. See you in the next video.